Hey guys, Steve Tan here. So in this video, I'm going to walk you guys through another software that our team use on a day-to-day basis using as an intelligence or spy tool. Okay, so the tool is called Commerce Inspector. All right, so you guys could head over to commerceinspector.com. All right, basically it's a tool that gathers a lot of big data in e-commerce stores, the apps they use, the teams they use. It also shows you their best-selling products, so on and so forth. Right? Okay, it's like it's pretty much affordable, like for people just getting started. They have like a few like payment plans, like so it allows you to see like the best selling products in the stores. Like it also allows you to see what kind of products they recently launched, so that like if you guys want to follow this store strategy, you could like kind of like model after them what they're selling. And it also allows you to get more insights like what kind of themes they're using, but this can be like overcome if you name your team like something different. Like they usually will not be able to pick up if you rename the whole team. All right, so show you like some details on the product, when is it created, when is it updated, the tags, the kind of niche tags they have tagged it with the product, so on and so forth. Some traffic insights, and a lot of like sometimes you're wondering what kind of apps they're using in the store, and all this tool, basically Commerce Inspector, shows you everything required. All right, there's a free version and there's a paid version. All right, if you guys like kind of like want to bootstrap your way, you can feel free to just get started with like the free version. But if you want to uncover like more intelligence, more data, there's a lot more information with like their paid subscriptions. All right, you'll be able to see the estimated revenue, like the amount of units they have moved, which one are the top products, the higher performing stores, so on and so forth. Right? Okay, so basically it's like I'm gonna show you guys some examples, but here's the payment. Here's like the paid and free plugins difference. So feel free to just check it out. It's not 100% required when starting out, but it's good to have. All right, so I'm going to use this Commerce Inspector on like a really popular Shopify store and show you guys some quick examples of what it looks like. All right, so let's head over to like this store, Sugar and Cotton, right now. And once you have installed their free plugin, it's gonna show up on here as a magnifying glass. All you need to do when you come to a Shopify store is gonna be like colored instead of black and white. All right, click on this. It's gonna show you like like the last product created, the team, like Brooklyn team, the estimated revenue last week, and the estimated amount of units they have sold last week. All right, and they're gonna list all the best selling products here. All right, it's gonna show you like like this model sold for like $6,000 in revenue with about 125 units. It's going to show you all like a full summary breakdown of all the best selling products. Right, this is only available for paid. If you don't have like the paid version, it's going to all show up as like blurred out. It's not gonna like, you're not gonna get any data here. All right, so basically this is the paid version. All right, as you can see here, you're gonna be seeing the same thing as per the home page. Right, you're gonna see all this information in the sales part as well. Okay, so basically it's like a full summary on the home page. All right, you're also able, one thing I really like is like it shows you all like new products launch. And if you want to see a store that's really active, you need to see like they're consistently updating new products. If they kind of stop updating products, this store might kind of like be slowing down, or like they're moving on to a new store, and so on and so forth. Right, and the good thing about this free app, when even it's free, it's still going to show you like all the newly launched products for this store. So if you're like a really aggressive spy guy, right, or like you want to like model after whatever this store is selling, all you need to do is just kind of like follow whatever new things. You just have a VA kind of like watch out this every single day and just check out what new products have they added. If you want to sell exactly the same kind of products as what they're selling, this is like pretty much the easiest way to do so. All right, so it's going to show you all the recent launch products based on like the earliest to the latest, so 11 days ago all the way to 2 months ago. So you just need to have like a VA just kind of like monitor a few sites that you like to, and just every day update new products to your store. All right, also this is also the free app, free version that covers, like as I mentioned, it shows you all the ads that this store is using, and you can use it accordingly. Okay, best selling, I don't find this like super helpful, because like there's a lot of store owners that knows how to hide this section from Commerce Inspector. All right. Nevertheless, not everyone is so careful. So I mean, if you guys want to use this, it's not exactly accurate all the time. But if people didn't update this, it's gonna show you all the best-selling products. Okay. All right. So what else? Let me just quickly scroll through here. What else can I see? All right. Traffic is going to just basically redirect you to like similar web, so I don't find this exactly helpful too. So basically what I use this tool the most is actually like, to check what are the best-selling products, what's like what kind of new products they are uploading, and kind of have like a system built out for my customer support or my virtual assistants to come and help and spy and like monitor what are our competitors or what are like our industry, like people that's doing pretty well, what are they up to, what are they selling, what kind of niche are they into. So you need to have all this kind of intelligence gathered around your industry so that you can make really good decisions, or you can have like your project manager or product manager kind of make good decisions in what kind of products they should test, what kind of niche we should move into. All right, so like as I have to also emphasize on this, that this is just part of the whole equation in product research. Right, we do not want to be like only doing things like only copying and only spying. All right, that's gonna hurt the entire industry, and you're not gonna get the biggest profit or biggest revenue numbers from spying on people, because you need to be the first to the market. You need to have the first mover advantage. So make sure you have like a good habit of still finding new products on your own from your team. All right, okay, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon.